Hey everybody, and welcome back to our channel. In today's video, we are going to show you how to insert page numbers here in Canva. Let's begin. Now, the first thing that you need to do is to log in using your credentials. If this is your first time in Canva, I want you to click the sign up option. And from here, just follow the on-screen instructions and you're good to go. Inserting page numbers in Canva is a straightforward process that can improve the structure and usability of your design, especially for multi-page documents. Once you're logged into your account, you might want to hover to the Create a Design option on the upper left corner if you haven't already, or if you wanted to start from scratch, you can simply click on the templates, right? You can maybe choose something like a document. So if you want to type in document, all right, let's see what we got here. You can start with a blank document if you wanted, or if you wanted to start with a template, you are welcome to do so as well. In our case, I'm just going to click on the create a blank document to see how we can insert page numbers in Canva with the easiest way. Now, once you are here, okay, so I'm gonna type in some text if you want it, all right? And of course, I'm going to upload some media here on the upload section. Now I will click this one right here. I'm gonna be a little bit creative and I'm going to change the colors or effects right here. Say, for example, I'm gonna be choosing the something that resembles our logo. Okay, so that one. Now, for you to be able to insert page numbers, there are multiple ways. Number one is go to the element section on the left side panel of your dashboard and click, maybe go to graphics, say a shape. You can start with the graphics, maybe with something like square. Maybe this one right here. You can drag this all the way down. Now, you see there's going to be a small heading here. You can just type in the page numbers, all right? That is one of the easiest way to put in a page number, right? Of course, you can maximize this until your desired font. So that's going to be for 1, right? So that's document 1. Another option that you can do is go again to the templates that you're working, or go to File. Maybe start with a new design if you wanted. Say a Facebook landscape. It would be forwarded to another canvas. I'm going to rename this as this one right here. So these are your options in inserting page numbers in Canva. I'm going to click on the upload section. Click the image again here. For example, this is the one. Another option is go to the element section again. Choose the graphics earlier. You can choose that. And again, click on text. This one right here, for example, we're going to be using a soft shadow. 1. It's idolized, so we're not gonna make that. Let's make it like a black color, so it's a lot easier to be seen. You can of course drag the number on the box, so it's a lot easier to be noticed. See that? Now all I'm gonna do is, you see this option that says duplicate page. Click on duplicate. All right, and of course rename that into 2. Again, duplicate that, make it number 3, and so on and so forth. All right, so these are some of your options. Another option that you can do is go again to add a page. Now I'm going to copy this again here. If you wanted to put in the page numbers on top, that's also easy to do. All I'm gonna do is go to the add a text box right here and type in, say for example, this is gonna be page 1. Page 1. Now, I'm gonna make sure that this changes into the effects. You see, There's a lot that I can work with. Maybe I'm going to choose black. Increase the thickness. You can put in here. Same goes. You can duplicate this page right here. Get like page 2. Right, duplicate and until to page 69. Right, so these are some of your options in creating or inserting the page numbers. Now, if you're happy with that, all I'm gonna do is hover back here. You can resize all of them and choose the view page to see if the design is correct, because page numbers helps readers quickly locate specific pages, making navigation through long documents easier and more efficient. They provide reference points for discussions, especially in reports, presentations, and documents where readers need to refer to certain pages, all right? Documents with page numbers, such as reports, brochures, videos, presentations, appear more polished and professionally formatted. Once you're happy with this, all I'm gonna do now is click the share button. If you wanted to download this as maybe PNG, or JPEG, which is the best for sharing. PNG is best for complex images and illustrations, while PDF is best for documents and emailing, and PDF print is best for printing. SVG is best for web design and animations, and you can also download these into MP4s and GIF, right? Now, when you download that, there's going to be a certain limit to file size depending if you're using the free trial or the pro version. You see that? You can limit the size. Alright, so you can try Canva Pro for free for that. Or you can also use the transparent background. We have a separate video on how to create a transparent background here in our channel that you might want to check. Now, you can select all pages, or if you want, you can select the pages that you wanted only, say 1, 2, and 3. Alright, click on done, and you will be download that without any problem. Now, if you want to share this into social media, so you can also do that by clicking on these social channels: Facebook page, schedule, Twitter, and Tumblr. You also have the option to export this as an attachment via Slack, email, WhatsApp, or iMessage. You can also have the option to save it in your Google Drive, download section, Dropbox, Microsoft Drive, and Microsoft PowerPoint. So you have all of these. Now, this is going to be for premium, print with Canva. If you click that, you can get it printed with Canva, but that's going to be for another advanced tutorial for another topic that you might want to check in our channel. But for now, these are some of your options. I'm gonna click on this again. By following all of these steps, you can easily add page numbers to your Canva document, ensuring a professional and organized design. That's it for today's video. Thank you so much for watching. We will see you again in the next one.